Choose a tile leveling clip and wedge that match your tile thickness and joint width to prevent lippage and ensure a flat kitchen floor. For large format kitchen tiles, start by measuring the actual tile thickness at several points, because factory tolerances can vary and you want the clip leg length to exceed the tile thickness by a small margin so the wedge can engage fully. Check the manufacturer's specifications for recommended joint width and clip thickness, and match those to your chosen grout line and tile edge profile. Many systems list compatible tile ranges like 5 to 12 millimeters, so pick the range that contains your tiles. Use a clip and wedge system made of durable plastic for repeated tightening and removal, but test that the wedge fits smoothly without excessive play, which can shift tiles. When laying out tiles, snap chalk lines and set tiles from a single reference point, so you are not fighting compounding misalignment, while also staggering clips according to the tile pattern, every edge and center as manufacturer guidance indicates. Practice installing a small panel of tiles with the clips and wedges to learn the hand pressure needed to seat the wedge, so you get consistent compression without cracking tiles. After the adhesive firms enough to support the tile but before full cure, remove clips with the manufacturer recommended method, usually by kicking or using a rubber mallet to break the clip at the thin breakaway point. Clean remaining nub with a floor scraper before grouting. The most common mistake is assuming all clips fit every tile, so people buy a system without checking the clip leg length and end up with wedges that will not engage fully, which you avoid by verifying actual tile thickness and system. Compatibility first. Another frequent issue is over-tightening the wedge, which can cause tile edge breakage or bowed tiles. So practice on scraps first and tighten only until surfaces are flush and resistance increases noticeably. The third problem is uneven spacing and inconsistent placement of clips, which produces irregular joints and lippage. Solve this by marking layout lines, using a consistent pattern for clip placement, and inspecting each tile pair as you work to catch small shifts immediately. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by providing a searchable marketplace and tools to compare options for projects like kitchen tile flooring, and we connect contractors to clients looking for work in their area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange practical tips and troubleshooting advice about choosing systems, installation techniques, and product experiences.